Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very important tip in Excel which will allow you to replicate the same action across multiple sheets. If you have multiple worksheets like that will help you to change this layout into this with one single step. Just stay tuned. So let's start have a look to the tables we have here. We have 5 worksheets in our Excel workbook that contains the sales data, quantity, price per unit, and total sales. It's a very simple table across 5 years starting from 2021 till 2025, and these tables are the same in each year. So what we're gonna do right now is to do our action, whether it was adding like a formulas or even the layout, in one single sheet, and that will be replicated across all sheets we have. So let's get started now. Let's select the first one, the first worksheet we have, and then pressing shift, then press the last one, so all the worksheets is now selected. Or if you would like to select 3 or 4 sheets out of the 5, you can press Ctrl and select the entire sheets you need. So for now, you have selected the full worksheets you have in your workbook. That was the first step. The second step is to do the action you need. So for example, what we are going to do now is to format the entire table and then adding like a total for the quantity and for the total sales across the tables for the 5 worksheets. So all you need to do then is to select the range you need to modify like that, and then start applying your format. So for example, we would like to change the background color into white and change that into dark blue, and then change the font color to white and change also this headers with any other color. That one, for example. Let's change the font color also and then reset the background for this cell. That's it. So now let's see what exactly done across the worksheets we have in our file. Let's press Ctrl, page up or page down from our keyboard. Now we can see that the format we applied is set to all the other sheets. It's very similar to the 3D formula, and if you don't know what exactly the 3D formula is, that there are some formula that can be work across the worksheets you have at once. So let's try that for the quantity and the total sales. We need to sum the total quantity across every and each year we have, and we need that to be applied to the other worksheets. Using the same approach, now we are selecting the 2025. Let's press shift and then select 2021. So what is in between these 2 years are also selected. And then let's select the cell we need to calculate the total quantity in, and then start with equal sum, and then select the total quantity numbers, close our bracket, and then press enter. Now we have that as a total number of quantity. Let's do the same for the total sales. Let's type equal sum and then select that range and close our bracket, then press enter. Now we have 351k, and for the quantity there is 17.8k. Let's press Ctrl page up or down. Now we can see that every single worksheet we have automatically added the same formula for the same range. You can use the same approach with anything you need across your worksheet, but there is one condition to do so. What is that? The condition is you have to set all your tables or all your range that you need to apply the same format to it at the same place. So if you can notice that all our data or our table that is starting from B3 till N5, it's the same range across our worksheets. So it's easy, right? If you really like this tip, make sure to subscribe not to miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.